Do you spend far too much of your time gathering data from PDFs? Are you copying and pasting, or worse, retyping values from invoices, receipts, purchase orders, expense reports, timesheets, and every other document that flows through your business? It's tedious, time-consuming, and error-prone work. But now there's a better way, with PanaForma. With PanaForma, you simply select the values you need from a PDF to create a template. And then with a couple of clicks, apply that template repeatedly to capture values from as many files as needed. Once you've captured values from all your PDFs, export them to Excel or CSV, or paste them into another Windows application. It's quick, it's easy, and it's flexible. It's PanaForma. Start your free trial today. You'll find PanaForma in the Microsoft App Store.